My friend Jamie contacted me recently. The company she works for wanted to give away 300 custom-carved walnut Christmas ornaments to their clients, and they did have somebody lined up to make them, but like Jacob Marley, they ghosted. So Jamie came to me and said, "Please, Wesley, save Christmas." Can I do it? I don't know. Let's find out. Also, stay tuned to the end for a special giveaway. Somehow I set this to go 6,040 inches per minute. All right, let's try this again. The final count ended up being 320, and I was hoping to show you what that looked like in one massive pile, but unfortunately I had to deliver them in batches. This is the last batch here. This is about 100 of them, and actually they've already ordered another 50 for intra-office bartering, I think. The shape is based on a work by an artist named William Millsap. He worked for the client and sadly passed away this last year. This is a sort of tribute to him. I'll put more information about the development of this design down in the video description. The original design was actually going to be a multi-layer piece with a gold slice in the middle, and my close and very dear friend Tim Sway was going to use his brand new fancy laser cutter to cut that middle piece. But unfortunately, in the end, it just didn't work within the client's time frame or budget, so I worked with them to make it a simpler one-piece design. And I'm going to be giving away ornaments to 3 lucky winners, so if you'd like to enter to win one, follow the directions down in the video description, and while you're down there, check out that Patreon link. Patrons get exclusive access to bonus behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your holidays.